Good morning, students. Welcome back. We are meeting after 4 days, correct? After Saturday, we did not meet. And what did we study on Saturday? The lesson which we studied on Saturday was classification. What was that? Classification. We had done classification of clothes, we did classification of furniture, we did classification of games, vegetables, animals, flowers, fruits and vehicles, correct? In first it was, what was odd man out? Clothes were all together, means clothes were same, and one was odd man out, that was shoes, pair of shoe. In second, what was odd man out? Car was odd man out, right? We are just revising it, okay? So in second, car was odd man out. In third, what is odd man out? House is odd man out, and remaining things are related to games. In fourth, flower is odd man out, and remaining three things are what? Vegetables. In fifth example, three are animals, one is bird. In sixth example, three are flowers and one is vegetable. In seventh example, other all are fruits and one is vegetable. In eighth one, all are vehicles and one is what? One is furniture, you can say chair. So in this way, in last period we studied about classification. What did we study? We studied of classification, and today we are going to study articles. Now you will say, what is articles? Articles means before every word we are using some letters, correct? Now how many total letters are there in English alphabets? There are 26 letters in English alphabets, right? Which are those? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. I'll just write down for you. Once again we will repeat alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Total how many letters are there? There are 26 letters, and from this 26 letters, in last, I think so, in second or third period I have told you, we made two groups, we made two teams of letters. One team was of vowels and one team was of consonants. Now which letters are coming in vowels? A, E, I, O, U. 5 letters are coming in vowels. Which are those? A, E, I, O and U. Okay. These 5 letters are what? These 5 letters are vowels. And then before vowels, we use one word. Any word which starts with vowel, any word which will start with A, any word which will start with E, any word which will start with I, any word which will start with O, any word which will start with U letter, before that we have to use an word. What we have to use? An word. An word is used before what? An word is used before vowels. Now which are vowels? For example, I will give you examples of all 5 vowels. An ant. Okay, A. Now E, I want to give you example of E. Then an egg. E double G, egg. I want to give you example of I. An ice cream. Correct? This word starts with which letter? I. After that, O. An orange. Now orange word starts with which letter? It starts with O letter. After that is U. An umbrella. Umbrella word starts with which letter? It starts with U letter. In this way, an article is used before vowel words. Before which words? Vowel words. A, E, I, O and U. Understood? I have underlined it. A, E, I, O and U. So before vowel words, the words which sounds vowel, before those words we are using which article? We are using an article. Which article? An article. And here one sentence is written A and an are used when we speak of one person, place, animal, bird or thing. When we speak of any person, when we speak of any place, when we speak of any animal, when we speak of any bird, and when we speak of anything, okay, things can be anything, correct or not? Eraser, if I want to tell eraser, then okay students, before this it was not visible for you, you were not able to see, so I have written it again. An article we use before which words? The words which sounds vowel, okay, vowel A, E, I, vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. So when I am giving you example of A, correct, then here example what I have written, an ant, okay, an egg, an umbrella, U, okay, an umbrella, an ice cream, an orange. So A, E, I, O and U. When do we use an? We use an before vowel sound words. The words which gives vowel sound, okay. Now A, O, E, correct, U, I. These are sounds, and before these words we use which article? We use an article. Which article do we use? We use an article, and here it is told that A and an are used when we speak. Can you see on the board? A and an are used when we speak of one person, place, animal, bird or thing. If it is not possible for you to see on board, I will show you in the book. See here, A and an are used when we speak of one person, place, animal, bird or thing. आपण काय वापरतो? ए अँड ॲन कधी वापरतो? ए अँड ॲन आपण कोणत्याही पर्सनबद्दल बोललो, कोणत्याही प्लेसबद्दल बोललो, कोणत्याही ॲनिमलबद्दल बोललो किंवा कोणत्या बर्डबद्दल बोललो किंवा थिंगबद्दल बोललो, त्याच्या अगोदर आपण कोणताही शब्द वापरतो? ए वापरतो आणि ॲन वापरतो. ओके. Now here an is written when the first letter of noun is a vowel. Okay. What is done here? What is done over here? An is written when the first letter of the noun is a vowel. Just now I have told you an is used when before vowels. Which are those vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Examples are given. An apple. Apple starts with which letter? A letter. An orange. Orange starts with which letter? O. An egg. Egg starts with which letter? E letter. In this way it is told that an is written when the first letter of the noun is vowel. The first letter of the noun, when it is vowel, that time we are using an. Let it be any word. The words which will start with कोणतेही शब्द जे ए पासून स्टार्ट होतात, जे ई पासून स्टार्ट होतात, जे आय पासून स्टार्ट होतात, जे ओ पासून स्टार्ट होतात आणि जे यू पासून स्टार्ट होतात, त्या शब्दांच्या अगोदर आपण काय लावणार आहेत? आपण ॲन लावणार आहे. काय लावणार? ॲन. ॲन काय आहे? ॲन आर्टिकल आहे. वेन यू विल गो इन हायर क्लासेस, करेक्ट, वेन यू विल गो इन 3rd and 4th standard, that time you will study articles in detail. Now here second one is told that A. Now an over, an is used when? An is used before vowels. Now A, when A is used, the remaining letters which are left, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Before this remaining consonants, 21 consonants are there, you know it very well. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. A letter is used before consonants. For example, a bat, a cat, a dog, a fish, a goat, a hen, in this way. Understood? And here it is given, sentence is given about A. A is written when the first letter of the noun is consonant. I will show you here, instead of writing on board, I will show you here. A is written when the first letter of the noun is a consonant. Consonants are which? B, C, D, F, G, which are there on board. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Before these words, we use what? We use A letter. And A is what? A is also article. An is also what? An is also article. In this way, I think you have understood when to use an and when to use A. Okay. Remaining part we will study in tomorrow's period. If you have any doubt, I will explain you once again. We will revise it. After that, we will start with question answers of the lesson. Okay. What you have to do today is, you have to write down those sentences. What sentences? When A is used, when an is used. I have shown you photo of book, or I will send you photo of that book, and you have to write down that 2 sentences 2 times in your English grammar notebook. Okay. Thank you.